Hello guys, I am here to review the Miller T94 mask, but this is the real review. I just purchased one after looking at all the reviews online, and I kind of something seemed weird. Seems that a lot of the reviews were kind of fake. Believe me, I checked all of them, so I decided to purchase the mask. But none of them really mention to you that the mask is for very lightweight. I thought the most expensive mask was for professional work, but seems this mask is very lightweight. Basically, the splatter, if it touches the mask, it makes holes on it. So as you can see right here, no? 30-minute welding, I already have few holes in the top and on the frame. And Miller does not sell you the helmet. You could buy a new frame, but you cannot buy a new helmet. So if after you get the holes on it, it's just trash. $400 will last you a week. I have my cheap mask that I used before this. Here you have it. Look, 2-year welding, and it just does not have a holes on it. I mean, I don't know why Miller did not put a stronger plastic, like more resistant. Supposedly they asked to all professional welders to make this mask. I mean, did any professional welder told them that the splatter burns the masks? I mean, it's incredible. Well, very sad, basically. If you're expecting a lemon, buy this. But I mean, that's my own experience. I mean, the sensor is great. The bottoms are big. I mean, all what you can hear in the other YouTube videos is great, except that none of them, because they are paid publicity, tells you that it's made of really light plastic that it burns as soon as it gets splattered. I mean, I think this is just maybe to weld with a torch, not with a MIG. I mean, I'm just MIG, no, I'm just the Miller-Matic 211. So well, I hope my video really basically helps you to decide this mask for you, but basically this mask for you if you weld like this. So basically, if all day you are welding like this, is good, right? If you are welding like this, but if you weld like this, to weld something a little bit above you, not say overhead, this mask is not for you, because all the spatter collects in the mask. It's almost like a cup, and it collects all and start burning. So, well, pretty sad, but you see, this is the real review. Okay, so now you can make your own decision.